cross right here, right? Now, Grant, it start to come back up. RENKOS is pure price. Higher time frames, the bigger the time frame, the bigger the pips. That's a 100 pip move just off the first time I caught it. Now, once price broke that, I could have closed or I could have held. Doesn't matter. The point is, price crossed. Did it ever go back above this MACD? Because remember, these two are in conjunction with each other. Before I buy or sell, or before I close out or whatever, I'm looking at these two. I'm looking to see if these are matching. You understand? If they're not matching, I'm not worried about it happening. So what I mean by that, this is this cross, that cross, boom, my sell opportunity. Now this is going back and forth right here because of RENKOS. It's going back and forth because it hasn't made the true trend yet. But guess what? This is still underneath my MACD. So I know my sell is still good. So now I'm just waiting for that big move to happen. Now, what I'll show you all, and we all know actual market structure. And if we don't, let's you know, we got to work on it. You know, I'll mark it up for you and show you. Just the way I mark it up right here for all my bootcamp students or any of my private students that's in the chat right now, you all know how I pretty much do my analysis when it comes to marking up. You see, we got to the top of that support on the monthly. We in a downtrend right here. You see, what's this, guys? Impulse, flag. What comes after the flag? The continuation, correct? Mm-hmm. So that's my flag. It looks like it's rejecting that trend line now. I see a clear ascending pattern right here. That's telling me I got a nice reversal getting ready to come, you know? And with that reversal coming, based off of my 1 hour, now I'm switching over and I'm waiting for that actual, I'm waiting for actual price to get ready and cross. And once I see that cross, boom, my analysis, everything is adding up. I'm very, very confident that in my move that I'm about to get a strong trend continuation based off of my actual, remember, I go off the higher time frames. So this is an actual continuation for my daily that I'm looking for. Does that make sense?
A lot.
It does.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah, so
Yes.
yeah, so I'm reading the comments now. I told you I ain't had really a but yeah, so I'll show you all another analysis that I previously had. Matter of fact, what's
So
that?
you're using the candles for your structure and then RENKOS for entry.
Exactly. Because I'm just trying to catch. Now, Grant, for those who don't have RENKOS or for those who you know, don't prefer RENKOS, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. You can do it on candles. I personally don't like it as much on candles. A lot of fluctuation, a lot of back and forth. You know, just pretty much have you in the bind. Should I stay in? Should I get out? Whatever. But when I switch over to RENKOS, pretty much clear sales, clear buys, clean.
That's crazy.
That's just me. You know what I'm saying? And remember what I said. This right here, we never gonna talk about this on these groups.
That's a question.
What's up?
When do you switch over the wrinkles? When you finish doing the structure?
Yeah. You can actually, and a lot of people probably not on the level that I'm at, but a lot of times I mark my actual entire chart up just off RENKOS. I'm getting in the habit of doing that. So, I mean, but for the most part, candles, it doesn't matter. You know what I'm saying? Even look right here. When this cross right there on your candles, same thing. You know what I'm saying? It crossed. Now, remember, like this lesson alone, I literally charge someone $1,000 just to teach them this part right here. Just this. They not even my full entire course. And since then, they actually caught UCAD with me. They caught GJ. I didn't even catch GJ. They made well more than the entire, like all their money back plus way more. I think the guy told me he made somewhere around $8,000 within the last week and a half or so, just based off of that. I've been studying and actually learning how to stay patient on my trade. But I'll show you right now. Like I told you all, I'm actually in UCAD, and I caught UCAD right here, right there at the cross. So 135. Now you tell me, like I said, where does this tell me that price is getting ready to turn around? It doesn't. So that's why I'm still sitting here. I hopped in this last Thursday. That was a week ago, 7 days ago when this happened. I actually put in a big group. Everybody look out, watch for UCAD, blah, blah, this, blah, blah, that. Got in that day. I've been in there comfortably over 350 pips. Barely looking at it because I already know it's doing, no matter how many times when I go to candles, I see all of this. I see back and forth, all of that, smaller time frames, whatever the case may be. I'm comfortable, even on candles. You see it's clear as day underneath, even on candles. And until I see this shoot over, I'm not even thinking about it. You see what I'm saying? And if this shoots over, this is going to have to shoot over as well. And it's going to have to show me it's a strong trend. But with that being said, because I don't see it, I'm sitting in there comfortably on the $6 lot size and on the $1 lot size, 2 orders. So, yeah, like needless to say that 2019 is about to be very, very different. Like that, like, like that's the key to actually, like, getting better when it comes to all of this. You want to continue to find different ways to actually better your craft. And everybody say Terrell came out of hibernation. Terrell, you back, but this and that. And I was just in the corner, came across the idea and studied the heck out of it. And as soon as, what was last week, Thursday, January 2nd? As soon as January 2nd came, January 3rd, one of them days, I took full advantage of what I've been studying. No difference from, I'm going to show you all another GP. And, G, what you catch, Clint? No, you call GN. That's what you call.
Terrell, can you say what the settings are on your MACD and your RSI, please?
All you got to do is type in MACD.
It's just regular.
Yeah, it's just regular. You just type in regular MACD and you, EMA, double EMA. That's it. Everything.
Okay, thank you.
So, yeah. So, like, my friend who I actually shared this with, I actually shared this with him, and he caught this right here. Just this move right here on GJ, almost 400 pips. And he did that comfortably.
And could I ask the RENKOS, can you use it on the empty board? Because I know you have to have it book logs on there.
Not that I know of. If I'm not mistaken, RENKOS is just trading view.
Yeah, trading view. Oh
but like I said again, you don't need RENKOS if you don't want. I personally prefer it. I don't mind waiting. RENKOS is a lot slower than actually candles.
I think we need to confluence because it gives you extra.
Say that again.
I think the RENKOS, from what you showed, it gives you extra confirmation that a trade is a buy or sell. So I think it's quite good.
Yeah, some people are hold to trading 2-3 times a day, every day, whatever. Not me. I'm the type of person I can wait all the way until Wednesday, Thursday to hop in my first trade. Like I literally got in one trade this week, and I don't know if one of my students is on here. I think I saw him, but me and him hopped in it 2 days ago, and I've been in EN ever since. And since I've been in, I didn't even look at anything else. I've been milking that, you know what I'm saying, just based off of the analysis we got off of EN. I'm still in UCAD, or whatever the case may be. That's it. Like, I'm not the type of person. My mentor always bashed in my head, and Clint, if I'm lying, stop me. But less is more. You know what I'm saying? So the least amount of trades that I'm trying to jump in and jump out, like, I've literally been that. Has anybody else been that type of trader who hopped in a trade, made some nice money, then just took their money, secured it, and tried to get in another trade, then lost all the money they just won?
That's
Anybody
me.
that says they didn't do that,
That's me.
Hell
You know what I'm
every
saying?
day. That's a common
Stop
theme.
talking my business, please.
So yeah, so when I've learned over time, take your winning trades. Like, when you're in your winning trades, try to maximize those winning trades. You know what I'm saying? Don't hop in 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 trades a week. Condense your trades down to 2 trades, max 3 trades a week. And if you got to, double your orders, do point orders. But don't get in GJ, GU, G, like, nah. I need to get in GJ and GU, and I get in GJ twice. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. So that's something that I've been working on. Like I said, I got multiple orders in UCAD, and I have 1 order in EN right now. And once I see what I'm looking for in EN, I'm getting in again. I'm not looking at all these different pairs, trying to keep up with all these different pairs. Now, my trading partners within my group, people like Gabe, Clint, Mario's, Lindor, when they see something and they point it out, it may be something I wasn't even paying attention to. I actually, okay, cool, this and that, because it came to my attention. But I'm not looking for 18 different entry orders on 18 different pairs. That's how you blow your account real quick. So that's why I personally don't mind on a slower tool to come across, because I'm not eager to hop in trades. That's like me being eager to lose my money, and I'm just not. I'm not eager for that, So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you all. I can actually get in a lot deeper, but of course, this is just the appetizer. Things like boot camp and things like that is when I really, and if you don't believe me, I'm sure Charlene, Grant, a lot of other people, Gigi, Andrew, like, I'm sure a lot of other people can attest to it. Like,